Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day to the Honorables, the Board of Examiners, and the Honorables, my thesis supervisors, Bapak Bayu Sutikno, PhD. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to present my thesis with the titles The Effect of Cultures and Risk-Taking Attitudes on Entrepreneurs' Opportunity Exploitation Decisions. My name is Arido Wisata Putra, and this is the start of my presentations. Business enterprise advancement has become a current vital issue related to economic development in Indonesia. Besides state-owned enterprises, there are hundreds of expanded private commerce groups in Indonesia that dominate the domestic economy. According to IndonesiaInvestment.com, 99% of small and medium enterprises active in Indonesia are also essentials. They contribute 60% of Indonesia's gross domestic products and create employment of around 108 million local workers. Since unwilling to take the opportunity is one of the obstacles, this research will examine the effects of Hofstede's cultural dimensions on entrepreneurial risk-taking attitude leading to the opportunity exploitation decisions. The institutional background in which a company is founded affects entrepreneurial decision-making conduct. It is well understood that the structural frameworks consist of structures, economic and political policies that control and restrict new ventures opportunities. However, it is also well understood that informal social norms and practices, such as cultures, affect how entrepreneurs and potential entrepreneurs leverage opportunities. Entrepreneurs are said to exist in such informal norms by mobilizing capitals and leveraging opportunities. The relationship between cultural dimensions and entrepreneurial activity is not defined in Hofstede theory. Hofstede only described culture as collective mental programming that distinguishes members of one community or category from members of another. However, research on how they relate to an entrepreneurial risk-taking attitude is minimal. In the literature, individualism, power distance, uncertainty, avoidance, masculinity, and long-term orientations have been all linked to entrepreneurial behaviors. This research is a replication of previous research with more comprehensive analysis on several points of discussions specific for Indonesia condition. Along with technology development, sizable private business groups or conglomerates and state-owned enterprises are also increased and become an important issue in Indonesia. They generate approximately 108 million jobs in Indonesia and account for roughly 60% of the country's gross domestic product. This means that the Indonesian economy is supported by micro, small, and medium-sized businesses. On the other hand, being an entrepreneur is not an easy task because they must be able to make sound decisions in all situations, including opportunities. Although some research has been conducted in some countries to find out the impact of culture and risk-taking on entrepreneurs' decisions to exploit an opportunity. However, in Indonesia, there is no study that associates cultures and entrepreneurial opportunity exploitation decision yet. This research focuses on examining the relationship between Hofstede's cultural dimensions. There are some specific issues or questions that will be investigated in this research. They are: does individualism in society positively affect the risk-taking attitude of an entrepreneur? Does the power distance in society negatively affect the risk-taking attitude of an entrepreneur? Does uncertainty avoidance in society negatively affect the risk-taking attitude of an entrepreneur? Does masculinity in society positively affect the risk-taking attitude of an entrepreneur? Does the long-term orientations in society negatively affect the risk-taking attitude of an entrepreneur? Does risk-taking attitude positively affect an entrepreneur's exploitation decisions? Does risk-taking attitudes fully mediate the relationship between individualisms and entrepreneurial opportunity exploitation decisions? Does risk-taking attitude fully mediate the relationship between power distance and also entrepreneurial opportunity exploitation decisions? Does risk-taking attitude partially mediate the relationship between uncertainty avoidance and entrepreneurial opportunity exploitation decisions? Does risk-taking attitude fully mediate the relationship between masculinity and entrepreneurial opportunity exploitation decisions? and thus risk-taking attitude fully mediate the relationship between long-term orientations and entrepreneurial opportunity exploitations decisions. The research objective has been constructed to fully answer and examine the possibilities of all the research questions. Please kindly have a look on the slide that the points of the research objectives are aligned with the research questions. This research contributes to a better understanding of the theoretical context, which is the affections of Hofstede culture on attitude towards entrepreneurial risk-taking that associate to the decisions to exploit an opportunity. This research will also enhance the understandings of factors that affect the way entrepreneurs make an opportunity exploitation decisions. This research might help business and political parties understand how this issue can affect entrepreneurship development in Indonesia. It will contribute to further research in entrepreneurship fields and have provided additional literatures in the study of entrepreneur behavior. There are 8 variables as the literature review to help to construct this research. They are: Hofstede's cultural dimension is a foundation for communication in cross-cultural. 5 dimensions are individualisms, power distance, uncertainty avoidance, masculinity, and long-term orientations. Individualism versus collectivism is the study of the degree to which individuals in society are integrated into groups. In other words, individualism is the correlations that occurs between individuals and the unity. Power distance is the power gap index measures how often less influential representative of organization and entities agree and expect power to be distributed unequally. Uncertainty avoidance construes an index of a society tolerance for uncertainty, where people avoid or accept uncertain and unpredictable events. Masculinity and femininity are features or attributes that are usually associated being male or females. Short-term orientations versus long-term orientations. These dimensions connects the past, present, and the future's actions or challenges. High degree of an index defines long-term orientations, meaning that the people see significantly on adaptations and evidence in circumstances. Risk-taking attitudes, defined as the psychological propensity to judge a particular person in terms of some degree of favor or disfavor, is known as attitude. Opportunity exploitations decisions, defined as the decisions to take advantage of an opportunity to commit entering to the market. This study is adopted based on previous study by Liu, Paco, and Chuhu at the year of 2017 with the development of sample using convenience sampling method in Indonesia. The framework of the hypothesis consisted 7 points, which are: H1 is the individualisms in society positively affects the risk-taking attitude of an entrepreneur. H2, power distance in society negatively affects the risk-taking attitude of an entrepreneur. H3, uncertainty avoidance in society negatively affects the risk-taking attitude of an entrepreneur. H4, masculinity in society positively affects the risk-taking attitude of an entrepreneur. H5, the long-term orientation in society negatively affects the risk-taking attitude of an entrepreneur. H6, risk-taking attitudes affect entrepreneurs' opportunity exploitation decisions. H7A, risk-taking attitude fully mediates the relationship between individualisms and entrepreneurial opportunity exploitation decisions. H7B, risk-taking attitude fully mediates the relationship between power distance and entrepreneurial opportunity exploitation decisions. H7C, risk-taking attitude partially mediates the relationship between uncertainty avoidance and entrepreneurial opportunity exploitation decisions. H7D, risk-taking attitude fully mediates the relationship between masculinity and entrepreneurial opportunity exploitation decisions. H7E is risk-taking attitude fully mediates the relationship between long-term orientations and entrepreneurial opportunity exploitation decisions. This research uses a quantitative method. Furthermore, the outcome is supposed to be more accurate when it comes to evaluating entrepreneur behaviors This type of research is considered a descriptive study which purposes to get the overall pictures of how cultures and risk-taking attitude can affect the entrepreneur's opportunity exploitation decisions. Conducted in Indonesia using online questionnaires with the Likert scale 1 to 5 measurements, the non-probability purposive sampling method was used to the 250 Indonesian entrepreneurs who have small to medium businesses. The analysis used the validity test with confirmatory factors analysis, reliability test using the value of Cronbach alpha, multicollinearity test by using the VIF, and hypothesis test with the SEM analysis. The number of the Kaiser-Meyer adequacy test is 0.831, and the significance value of Bartlett test is 0.0. With the KMO value greater than 0.5 and a significant numbers of Bartlett's test which is below 0.05, it proves that the factoring process is valid and the numbers of sample used in the study is sufficient. Table rotated component matrix shows that all items in this research questionnaires had a factor loading value above 0.5, and each item measuring the same variables were grouped in the same columns. Based on this result, it proves that 29 questions items used in the study are valid. In the reliability test, the table shows that the Cronbach alpha value of each variable measuring instrument is above 0.7 and is supposed by the corrected item total correlations value of its instruments that is above 0.5. These results indicate that the instruments that used in this study are reliable. The table shows that the all variables tolerance value has a result above 0.1. Additionally, the VIF result of all variables also show below 10. Hence, it proves that this research model has no multicollinearity effect between independent variables. This result is believed that each variable is explaining different variance in estimating related variables. There are two hypothesis testing that are not supported, which are the relationship between power distance and long-term orientations toward risk-taking attitude. It is because both of them have significance level or p-value above 0.05. Based on the data in the tables, it can be seen that the risk-taking attitude does not mediate individualisms. On the other hand, uncertainty avoidance, masculinity, and long-term orientations are fully mediated by risk-taking attitude on its affections toward opportunity exploitation decisions. Meanwhile, power distance is partially mediated by risk-taking attitude on its affections toward opportunity exploitation decisions. This slide showing the result frameworks. As I explained before, there are two non-significant hypotheses, shows with the dotted line, which are power distance and long-term orientations. Well, this is the conclusions. Indonesian small to medium enterprises have an individualism levels that positively affect their risk-taking attitudes, especially on Generation Z and millennials. This stance in society has negative and non-significant affections on risk-taking attitudes. Indonesia is experiencing in rising in individualisms. Millennials in Indonesia are more charismatic, goal-oriented, and have strong leadership skills. Furthermore, Indonesian millennials love to hear the success story of young and emerging entrepreneurs as it motivates them to achieve the same accomplishments. Finding the majority of respondents in this study are millennials, it is proven that the higher masculinity leads to higher risk-taking attitudes. Long-term orientation has positive and non-significant affections on risk-taking attitude. A risk-taking attitude enhances the commitment of one's in taking risks. Risk-taking attitude does not mediate individualisms. On the other hand, uncertainty avoidance, masculinity, and long-term orientations are fully mediated by risk-taking attitude on its affections toward opportunity exploitation decisions. Meanwhile, power distance is partially mediated by risk-taking attitude on its affections toward opportunity exploitation decisions. Some very short point of managerial implications that small to medium enterprises higher individualisms and masculinity will enhance the risk-taking attitude of an entrepreneurs. Small to medium enterprises' lower uncertainty avoidance will enhance the risk-taking attitudes of an entrepreneur's aiders. Those both 2 points will increase their commitments to make decisions within all opportunities coming to Indonesian entrepreneurs.